Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to get the equation of a line in slope-intercept form using Desmos. Let's consider the line we have over here in xy plane. I am going to get equation of this line in slope-intercept form using Desmos. For that, we have to choose 2 points at random on the line so that both the x-coordinate and y-coordinate are integers. Okay, let me choose this point. Actually, this is the x-intercept of the line. The x-coordinate over here is -8, y-coordinate is 0. Let me take this point on the line. The x coordinate is -2, y coordinate is -6. Let me mark it out here, -2 comma -6. Now I have to take these 2 points in Desmos. Go to Desmos, click on this positive sign, then go to the table. Okay, let me take the first point, -8, 0. The second point, -2, -6. Now I have to consider the slope-intercept form equation of a line, that is y equals to mx past b. Now I have to take this equation in Desmos. Here, when I take this equation in Desmos, for y I have to use y1. For this equal sign, I have to use the tilde sign. M times for x, I have to use x1. I have to take this positive b as it is. Okay, now let me take this one as input in Desmos in the second row. That is y1, then tilde sign m times x1 positive b. Here I got the values of m and b. M equals to -1, b equals to -8. Now we can plug in the values of m and b over here. That is y equals to, when I plug in -1 for m, I am getting -1x, or it can be written as just -x. And for b, we have -8. That is -x, -8. Here I got the equation of the given line in slope-intercept form using Desmos.